Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather here for the next week and a half. And you can see the disturbance, which is along the Gulf Coast, has spread a few spotty showers into the southern half of the Arklatex on this Wednesday afternoon. What's going to be happening is that we will see this get kicked off towards the northeast as this disturbance moves across the middle of the country. And this disturbance is going to bring us our next best chance for a little bit more widespread rain towards the latter half of especially Saturday. At the surface, watching again an area of low pressure associated with this upper level low. It's now close to the coast of southeast Louisiana. It is gradually going to ease its way towards the north and will bring us a possibility of maybe a stray shower over the eastern edge of the Arklatex tomorrow, but for the most part, we'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine and the continuation of the pleasant temperatures. Let's talk about the next several days here with Futurecast. And again, the spotty showers that we've seen develop south of I-20 today will fall apart as we go through tonight, looking at a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Tomorrow, looking partly to mostly cloudy, more sun over the west, more clouds over the east, and again that spotty shower will be a slight possibility tomorrow. The clouds will decrease tomorrow night as we become mostly clear, and we'll likely see plenty of sunshine mixed in with a few clouds for Friday. A little bit of an increase in the wind out of the south. Storm Prediction Center does indicate we could see a few thunderstorms develop off to our west. Futurecast not really showing a whole lot as far as development of those thunderstorms as of right now. Now, longer range, our next best chance of more widespread rains will come Saturday afternoon. Here's a look at Friday night, Saturday morning, looking mostly cloudy. Notice heading through Saturday, you'll see the flare-up over the east and southeastern sections of the area of some thunderstorms very late in the day right there. You can see things really kind of get going over north central, northeast Louisiana during the last half of the afternoon. That activity will move away, will clear out Saturday night, and that'll set the stage for a nice conclusion to the weekend with the return of some sunshine as we look ahead to basically Sunday. Now, as far as severe weather, not too much of a concern. Storm Prediction Center does again indicate to our west we could see some storms, but again, high-res models not showing a whole lot. As far as Saturday's activity, looks like the best shot will be to our northeast over eastern Arkansas, northern Mississippi up towards Memphis, that particular part of the middle Mississippi Valley, although we'll have to keep an eye on the eastern edge for when those thunderstorms develop and how quickly they develop once that development takes place Saturday afternoon. Now, as far as rainfall potential, here's a look at Futurecast. I'm going to show you a couple of different models. And you can see that Futurecast shows that from now through the weekend, heaviest rain will be to the east of the Arklatex. In our neck of the woods, probably less than 1/10 of an inch at most locations here during the next several days. So it does look like the majority of the rain is going to fall to the east of our area. Longer range, we will see another shot for some rain as we go into the last half of next week. Here comes that upper level disturbance, which will produce the chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. And this is a different model than Futurecast showing, pretty much the same location of those storms that I showed you with Futurecast. This disturbance moves out. We'll see a couple of nice days, and then sometime beginning in the middle of next week, we will see the axis of this ridge move east, and as a result, we'll see an off and on chance for some rain during the last half of next week. But all in all, it still looks like we're going to see below normal rainfall potential here for the next week and a half. During the next 10 days, amounts right around 1/2 inch over most of the Arklatex, with normal for a 10-day period. As I keep mentioning, 1.5 to 2 inches is what we on average see during a 10-day period during the last half of April. So all in all, it does look like we will continue to see a pretty good chance of drying out after the very wet start of April that we've experienced over much of the area. So a forecast for tonight looks like this. We will see temperatures across the Arklatex that will not be as cool, as lows at most locations will be in the mid-50s. 56 in Shreveport, 55 in Texarkana, 54 degrees in Marshall. Tomorrow, temperatures will be pleasant once again as we'll see in and out sunshine. Again, a stray shower possible mainly over the eastern half of the area. Daytime highs pretty close to that normal of 77, as we'll be at 77 in Shreveport, 78 in Texarkana, looking at a high in Natchitoches at 76 and 78 degrees for the high temperature in Marshall. 10-day forecast shows that temperatures will warm up Friday and Saturday in advance of Saturday's cold front. Highs will likely return to the low to middle 80s over most of the region. Lows Saturday morning in the mid 60s. Notice a brief cool down Sunday back to the mid 70s with lots of sunshine that will stick around for Monday. Clouds return Tuesday. Next best chance of rain Tuesday night and Wednesday. And then off and on rainfall chances could continue through the last half of next week. You can see daytime highs all next week in the low to middle 80s. Overnight lows, for the most part, will be in the low to middle 60s. So all in all, it does look like dry conditions for the most part through Friday. We could see a few thunderstorms increase as they move out of the area Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. And then we close the weekend with plenty of sunshine and pleasant temperatures Sunday.